touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet good times that feel so good, and I've been inclined to believe they never would. We've been traveling far without a home, but not without a start. Free, only you want to be free. We are all close, hang on to a dream. On the boats and on the planes, they come into America, never looking back again. Well, they come into America home. Somebody at the end of my thoughts, I'll have a fire inside, a solid side for you. And you find a thought, must be only so many sitting around. I can be here with my own solid liver. My thoughts, I want a fire inside, a solid side for you. I believe you. All of these lines across my face tell you a story of who I am. So many stories of where I've been and how I've got to where I am. But these stories don't mean anything when you got no one to tell them to. It's true that I was made for you. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't belong here. Mother Sephora, overhaalde golven deel. Al die druppels bij elkaar, waar die vlammen vriendschap zeel. Mother Sephora, om liefde naar de wereld. Right, now the English speaking people are going to start to sing along. Here we go. Na 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 na, na 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 na, out of the golden line. On one leg. Mother Sephora, na 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 na, na 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 na, out of the golden line. Upon the boss found now, running out of somersault, maar die winterse leksels met 'n smile verpop. Die hitte wat my red voor die koue kom. Jy steel my woorde, ja, jy maak my stom. Ja, jy is my somersault, wat oor my sal waak al word ek oud en krom. Dis moeilik toch te maklik onder de som. Jy staan hier en nog by hartse drom. Ja, jy is my somersault. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because of visions softly creeping left its scenes while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. The streams are washed along narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I've turned my collar to the golden town, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of neon lights, split the night and touched the sound of silence.